On Sunday of the 15th of January 2023, the man of God Apostle El Gangata gave a prophetic word concerning a mine explosion, and he called upon the church to pray. Let us listen to his words.
This is a country in Southern Africa. This is a country in Southern Africa. The people had gone down to do mining. A dozen of people gone to do mining. Explosion. Southern Africa, I saw explosion of a mine. People working underground. And there was an explosion. Dozen of people trapped there, and the rescue situation very complicated to bring them out. This is Southern Africa country. We have to pray.